Hi, it's me guys, Liberty Eagle. Today we're playing Set Up at the School of Nothingness with my friends. It's not doing. What the hell is it doing? I'm stuck in the military and be your loving child. So, just gotta make sure there's only a lot of time to make it hard. Just see, I have this, but I have unlocked. But I have the unlock level 3 in first level 3. Just better put a scope first. And when you go power, you go need to do something. I don't know what I'm doing with them. I love this, guys. I love this. Just sounding in the waves. Harold says in the. I have all the tree when I have this do this. What is that? Meow. I know. I need to do this, guys. I need to do this. I have this. See? Level 3. Level 3. Go here. It's blocked. Oh, here. Come here. Get this. That's risk cover.
Dadalhin natin yung chinelas doon. Magputrag ka na lang. Para hindi ka nagtatandaan. Opo, kung chinelas mo sa loob ba? Kapag natin marunod yun, kasi hindi kami nagmadumi.
Yeah, go. Go. Wrong. Hide and lock it, hide and lock it.
Naalis ba kayo ng sapatos doon? Sa school? Doon sa loob, chinelas, diba? Pero doon sa pagpasok ng sapatos, ha? Tatabi mo yung sapatos mo, baka mawala, ha? Kapag balik mo, wala ka ng sapatos. Kapag dalis mo yung sapatos mo, huwag mo na kayang dalhin yung chinelas mo. Para kung baka mawala yung sapatos mo. Hindi ba mawawala? Mamaya babas mo natin.
Guys, when you go here for the lecture, just update the server. Updating. Ooh, somebody gives things, yeah.
Huwag mo lang tatanggalin yung sapatos mo, Juan. Yan.
Things, yeah. Money barrel. Tignan mo to, Ranse. Ranse, tignan mo to. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Ito ah. Tignan mo to. Don, 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 don. Hindi daw. Pwede. Pero kasi eto, pero pag naandito na tayo, yun, pwede na tayo pumunta dyan. Hindi tayo pwede pumunta dyan? Oh, pero mamaya, pwede na tayo pumunta. Go, guys. Yeah, guys. We're speaking Filipino, yeah, like this. Hi, guys. Sino ka? Kaya, because I know Filipino, even when I'm roughed going. Hello. We need to be level 2 now. Now, guys, see, there's a should go. But please like and subscribe to my channel so and go about it. Biggest update, guys. They put new spirits in this. But it's black. We need to go level. We need to do. We need to head into level 3
Lang,
in
hindi
the
na
YouTube.
yan. Yan. Huwag mo na, huwag mong bubuksan dito ha. Kaganyan lang yan. Tapos ito, pag mag-upload ka ganyan. Dito lang, oh. Halika na ito po. Itaw mo na siya. Pasok mo.